guys, so today we're gonna make a special food from England that quite familiar. So the food name is mac and cheese. But first of all, let me introduce myself and my partner. So my name is Brian, and
And my name is zella. So today we're gonna make mac and cheese. And after this, I will show you the ingredients and how to make it. So yeah, check this out. So the ingredients that we use is cheese, milk, white pepper powder, macaroni, margarine, salt, and flour. And then for the material we use spoon, bowl, shifter, and pan. Pour 300 milliliter of milk into the pan. And after that, boil for 2 minutes. Step 3. Add macaroni into the pan. And after that, don't forget to mix it. And for step 4, add 1 tablespoon butter in the pan. For the step 5, add enough cheese. And next, add 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder, and don't forget to pour 1 tablespoon of flour. And mix it until well. Pour mac and cheese into the bowl. And then for the step 9, grate the cheese. We cut the cheese using knife because we don't have cheese grater. Sorry. Use cheese as a garnish. for the last mac and cheese ready to eat.